meat. That's stew goat. Nice goat leg quarter. So I bought 2 bags. I'm live. I'm on YouTube, so you see I'm promoting my Caribbean
You're on
store.
YouTube? No,
Yeah.
you're live. I'm on YouTube live on Facebook.
Yes, YouTube. So I'm promoting my Caribbean store.
Well, thank you very much. You know, like promote me too.
Okay, so that's
I'm the
Bobby.
main man here, Bobby. I'm the butcher here. So the culinary guy that you want to talk to when you want your short ribs and all your steak and your T-bone, your prime rib, all your premium cuts. Because we only serve over here. We do Angus meat and we do the triple A Angus beef that you're talking about. We do Ontario lamb, we do Ontario goat, we have the New Zealand goat. So you want to come on down and see us here.
And
All
where are
right?
you
Ciao,
located?
ciao.
Where are
We're
you
located at 186 U Ontario, right to the corner at Bovaird and Highway 10. You come down and see any one of us here, and we specialize in all Caribbean food here.
Yes.
All.
So this is where you get your local food. Nice meat. I don't buy my goat meat anywhere else. They have all sorts of meat. Goat meat. Look how pretty the goat meat is. See that? Chicken foot, goat belly. I need a pack of the goat belly. Give me a nice one. How much is that? How much is that one? $9? Okay, so I have my goat foot, my goat belly from make my manish water, and my goat meat, 2 packs of goat meat. Okay, so I need that one. You cut that too or no? Okay, so they have chicken foot and they have burnt duck. The burnt duck is actually very, very good. This is oxtail. How much a pound for the oxtail? No, I don't need any. I have some. I have some in the fridge. I'm just checking the price for next time. No, I have some in the fridge. See, they have cow foot, burnt cow foot. This is the best place to get your meat. Yes.
Hey, you want to put this on your video too? I want you to see all the fruits. Put this on your video too. You see all the mango? This is all the guinea flow.
Ooh,
Guinea
guineas.
we got
Let me.
just came in now.
You have to make me taste one.
Yeah? You want to taste one?
Yeah.
Well, okay, go ahead. And make sure you air this video and you got to tag me in this video.
What's oh yeah, when I end the video, you give me a tag.
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber, you know.
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Awesome.
Ooh, them sweet.
Beautiful, beautiful. This
How
is,
much you sell one bag for?
I don't know the pound. You got to find out how much is the pound here now.
Who wants some?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Guys, you can get them sweet. No lie. Not forget get some.
That's beautiful.
I need
Beautiful.
one bag. I don't want that big other bag, though.
Yeah?
I need one bag, but I don't need that big bag.
Yeah, no, no. You take whatever you need. Here.
Just put some in there for me, but put like 2 nice
This
bunch.
one for Fancy, my sister. Here, just put it in this right here for me with the monkey there.
Put like put couple bunches in there. Nobody put no whole pot tick and full up it.
Mm-hmm.
I buy pony same.
Yeah.
So nobody put no whole pot stick in there, Bobby. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Guineas, guys. When I rap.
Yeah.
Set me up nicely, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, look, okay. I got to lose one time for yourself.
Yeah.
No thanks.
Okay.
All right, then?
Yeah, I'm alright with
All
this.
right.
Thank you.
There you go. You're welcome.
What kind of mango you have? Where mango in
The
there?
mango there, we have Julie mango, we have East Sydney mango, we have all on the other side.
Julie East Indian and everything. So we'll go around in the mango section, guys. Let me just grab my meat. Anytime I come in here, so my money done. Look for everything I have. So them have the yes. Them have all jelly coconut, breadfruit, the East Indian mango them yeah, and Julie. Julie and East Indian. Mm-mm. Again, them sweet. Me actually surprised them so sweet. So I'm gonna just rest these here. So I'm gonna pick up the dal puri. So they have freshly baked. So this one is the dal puri. This one having the no, this one is not the dal puri. I think they label this one wrong. Cause this one having the they probably just use the bag. This one is actually the bus up shot. They put this in the wrong bag. So these are the dal puri with the dal inside. You see how they look red or yellow, I should say. So these are the dal puri. These are the bus up shot. So me love the dal puri. So I'm gonna take a bag of the dal puri. Them nicely baked, them still warm. So I get a bag of the dal puri. Probably get two bags. I get two bags of the dal puri. So them have doubles. Who know doubles? Doubles. They have egg balls, double palori, and these are aloo pie, bacon saltfish. So it's like a Guyanese tour, West Indian Guyanese. Oh, she took. Oh, I think she took your stuff. Yeah. No worries, you can pay for them, and I'll just collect them. So I'm cashing out now. So you see where I get my goat meat, and you heard where they are located. This ASA meat. This is where to get your goat meat and all of your goodness. So I'm gonna pay now for my stuff. The two roti them are going in a bag. Big up people who they here. Some of them pay attention to the young man. Some of them did I see, but never got to. I think I see Paul, Andre, but I'll go through after my live has ended and see who did end of the building. So big up and bless up for myself. I'm paying by I'm paying debit card, okay? You don't take credit card, right? You take credit card now? Oh, I'll pay by credit card then. I know that you guys didn't take credit card. When did you start taking credit cards? Uh-uh. And all the time I come and use my debit. Huh? For the credit card? Okay, so I'm over 50, so I'm good. You're welcome. Thank you. Hi, Chef and Jerry. Hi, Matt. Just buying some goat meat for a little get together. I'm having a little get together. And for Father's Day. So I have a birthday on Saturday and Father's Day is on Sunday. So I'm gonna come get some goat meat, some goat meat. Some have some goat meat and some goat foot and goat belly tripe to make manish water. I'm gonna find some. I get some Guinness.